Good morning, sir. My name is Ramesh Prasad Jaishi. I am 26 years old. I am Nepal. I am married. I have 5 members. My height is 5.3 feet and weight 60 kg. Passed 12 pass physically and fine. I have 5 years experience automotive work in Nepal. I am my work in success the parts fees and loading, unloading, cleaning the work place, acting surely. I want you to come to Romania as an automotive worker to earn money and support my family. I will set the long time be 5-6 years. Also, I am hard working and honest persons.